Good morning. Today we are going to learn about the schema detection and evolution in Snowflake. So what is this and what it will do means here uh, suppose we have a structure of the table, mm, and in the source the structure is changed, new field is inserted, new column is inserted. So without changing the table structure, we have to it should automatically add the column or field. That is, in Snowflake it supports it's an option. Okay, here scope the scope to cover is here as schema detection. Detection means identify the change in the schema or column. So as I told you, the structure, if it change, columns also, if it is added, the new columns, it will automatically add. Okay, schema evolution, manage the schema change such as adding, altering, removing columns to the existing table. For the same table, if the source, the data has been changed or the column, new columns has been added, that is automatically the column will be added here. Okay, uh, first we are try to load the CSV file, and then one more is a JSON file in the internal storage. Okay, as a creating as a stage. So I have given the script here. You can go through this. I will quickly move to the Snowflake. Okay, here what I did, I created a database by the name schema change. Okay, then I have created database like this. Okay, plus database, add create database, give the name. Then you can just create the schema here. The schema also you can just create by schema, press button. Okay, then employee table, or you can write the codes also for that. Employee table I have created. In this employee table, employee schema, table, stage, and file format I have created. Okay, so tables, two tables have been created. Has been created. This is for CSV file, and this is a JSON file. Okay, then stage, here in this stage I have loaded the four files. See, these are the four files. Initially, this will be the actual table, which is in this form of CSV, and here I have added the phone number as an extra column. Okay, this is a structured format. For this, the JSON format is unstructured format. I will open it and show it to you. This is the CSV file. So only five rows are there, and uh, four columns are there. Okay, so this is adding the phone number to it. This phone number have been added extra. Then this is also same JSON. Here the file is different. It is a semi-structure file. Okay, and this is added the phone number here. See here, it is the phone number is added here. Got it? Okay. So in this, I loaded the stage manually. That is just add here, add plus file. You put it. Then you can browse the file. Here you can select the path. All the four path I can select, or individual path also I can select. Then upload it. Upload it. So these four files has been updated. Stage and file format I have created by using the command. Okay, code. So quickly I will move to the code which I have written. This is a CSV file. Stages, show stages. If you type, it will show the stages which we have created in the employee table, employee schema. Okay, this is the list of the stages. See, these two stages are not here. That has been removed. Okay, but it is showing here, right? It is showing here. I will just remove it. Okay, see, only two files are there. It is a UAE problem. Okay, I will refresh that one. See, only two stages are there. So here you can able to see in the code, you can able to see how many stages are there. Okay, so I will load the two stages also. First we will cover the CSV format. How to automatically deploy the column in the CSV format. See here we have to create the CSV format first. So my CSV format, don't worry, I will give all the scripts to you. Just create it, execute it, and then this is not required. I will comment it out. And then you have to create directly you can create a table. Okay, directly you can create a table. This is the template of the table creation. Create or replace a employee table. That is in here I have selected the schema in the upper. I have selected the database and the schema. So no need to define the schema underscore change dot employee dot followed by table name. Directly I can use a table name here. Okay. So this is the template. This is the format which we want to keep it out. See, here is the important thing is infer schema. Infer schema is nothing but that only will define the columns data type, that is varchar number int. It will define the column data type. Okay, see here table employee table. This is var number varchar is there now. This data type it will define by the infer schema. So if you, this is very important step, you give the infer schema. Here I have given the location of this stage. How to get the location here? Here only you can take it out. Employee the stage. Just click on here, copy path. Okay, so you can paste the path here. Right click and paste it. Then file format, the format which I have created is my CSV format. This is the one. Now you have to create the table structure. Right, this is a table structure has been created successfully. We can check the table structure there. Employee ID 1, 2, 3, 4 columns are there. One more column is not there here in this table structure. One more column is not there. That column will be added automatically. First we will load the data. Before to that we have to check whether this in the show table. Here this is a table name, employee table. This is no enable schema evolution. It is n. Okay, so we have to make it as y. That is true. So this alter table employee table set employee evolution as true. This command we have to execute. Then it will be turned into y. Why it is required? Because we have to add the evolution to it. See, enable the evolution. Okay. After this step, you have to load the data. Remember, before loading the data to the table, you have to set this as true. You have to run this command. Okay. Then here, just load the data. Here, very important step is the data has been loaded. 5 rows are loaded here. So the very important step is here match by column name equal to case insensitive. So this is required, this is important, and this one is error on column count mismatch equal to false. This is a two important thing here. Okay, rest is same. That is a normal copy into employee table from at how you copy in the from the stage. That is the format. Only thing is here you have to add error on column count mismatch equal to false, and then match by column name is case insensitive. Okay, so here you can check the tables and check the data. Okay, here five rows are there, and 1, 2, 3, 4 columns are there. In the same table, without changing the table structure here, without recreating the table structure, I will load this file. That is our second file, which is there in the stage. Okay, if the source file is changed, it is added a new column. If it is inserted a new column, then what will happen? Let us check. Execute this one. Here also this is also same thing. I have just replaced the name of the here. See employee table plus phone path. That is the next stage in the stage. The another table which I have, the another stage which I have. Here the data loaded is rows loaded is 5. So again, if we check it, then earlier data will be there. This is the earlier records. Okay, it contains a null value. It is incremental. Here added the phone number also. So it is appending the new records also. Got it? So I didn't change the table structure. For the same structure, I have added the phone number as column. So let us see the table structure of this phone number. So it should be the number only, because here null is there. So varchar or number employee table, varchar, because null is there, so it is varchar. Okay, now this is done. Now we will move to the JSON file. Here first we need to set the schema and all those things. That is common. Use database. Show stages, employee. Here no stage is there, so I will add this one to stage employee. I will add this file, browse it. Where is it? New folder. I can add these two. Okay, so those two will be uploaded here. See, here is uploaded. Now we can run it. The list of stages. So all the stages are visible here. We can create a table like in the CSV format. We have to change the format here. So this is the JSON format. Okay, so we can create it. Remember the strip outer array, it should be true. It should be not the false, it should be true. Okay, now date format is auto, date time format, timestamp format is auto, everything is auto. Here this, if you use this also, then it is okay. If not use, then also okay. So yeah, the file format will be created. Then same thing, table structure we need to create. Location, this from using this. Then infer schema here is the important thing. Remember this is a JSON file. In the JSON file, we no need to flatten this one. If we use like this, it's a simple JSON file. See here, it is a simple JSON file. So we no need to flatten here. Directly we can use this in the infer schema. So it will be created automatically. It will create the structure of it. Employee table, just open it. See, email address, first name, last name, user ID. These 4 fields has been added. Okay, then show table. Here in the employee JSON, what is the schema here? No, here evolution is no. So just set it. Set the evolution is equal to true. Okay. Then again show table. See, both are yes. Why? Okay. Now we have to load the data. Just run this command. Here also match by column name is case insensitive, and purge equal to true. For JSON we have to add the, for parser in JSON files we have to add the this format. Okay, the purge we have to use. Okay, now the 3 rows has been loaded. Select it. Oh, I have added the phone number also by mistakenly. I run this command. Okay, I will drop this table. Where it is? Drop it. Okay, I can recreate it. This is a format is created. Table structure we need to create. Run it, execute it. Employee, then show table. List. Oh, again it is dropped. We have to load the stage again one more time. Let's see, it is dropping automatically. So we have to load it one more time. Okay. Then list stage. Okay, got it. This is done. This one is table is created. Then structure is automatically created. Here we have enabled the enable schema evolution. Then we have loaded the data here, and then this is the data which has been loaded to this one. Okay, now without changing here, I will add the new column to this. This is the same thing. I just rename the employee JSON with phone number here, file name. Okay, then it will show the detail. See, it has been added. So this is a very helpful if you have a source file regularly updating the new fields. In such case, we have to use the infer schema option. Got it? So I will share this everything, scripts and all those things to you in the description. Okay, thank you.